In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to verify your ATF account. You see, as more people are actually joining this project, now the platform have started requiring verification before you can place withdrawal of your ATF token to your connected wallet. Now, if you're having issues withdrawing or placing withdrawal, or you have placed withdrawal and your withdrawal is still pending or for some time, now it means that you need to verify your account before your withdrawal before your withdrawal tokens can actually land in your wallet. Now, that being said, if you're coming to my if you're watching my video for the first time and you want to know how to verify your account, or you have been having issues verifying your account, I would like you to stick around, watch this video to the end so you not miss any part of this video. Now, that being said, I would like to navigate to the profile section here. So if you're joining my channel for the first time, I would like you to go down and smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon, so that when next I upload any content, you'll be the first to be notified. So now you'll now first of all navigate to your profile section and you'll see the verify. Now make sure you read carefully. All right, before you proceed, so that your verification will not be rejected. So as you can see here, to verify your account, make sure you read carefully these steps. All right. Now, I've gotten a couple of complaints in my community. That is why I actually made this video. I want you to pay attention to this part so that you make mistake. Now, your Telegram ID is your Telegram username. I repeat, your Telegram ID is your Telegram username. All right. Now, your TG ID. Now, let's go back. I'll show you guys your TG ID. Now, your TG ID is for your ATF. Let me show you guys your ATF account. Your ATF account, still under your profile section, you can see your TG ID. All right, this is the TG ID you copy. All right, make sure you write it out on a plain piece of paper. Now sign the paper. Now on a sheet of paper, write your Telegram ID, which is your username. Your TG ID is your ATF user ID. Your ATF user ID, you write it out. Then second step is sign the paper and add today's date. Now today's date is actually the date you're actually verifying your account. Make sure you do not make any mistake by writing backdating or forward-dating. Make sure you write the date of the day you are verifying your account. Now again, thirdly, write ATF in large letters on the paper. Now make sure you write this step by step. First, your Telegram username. Second, your TG ID, which is your ATF user ID. Then you sign the paper, you add the date of the day in which you're verifying account. Secondly, you write ATF in large letters on the paper. All right, now all these things, after you write them, says look at the camera and shout that loud in English, I am not a robot. Now after you have written this on a piece of paper, that's 1 2 3, make sure you write the 1 2 3. Then you raise the paper. Now this is how it's going to be like. You raise the paper beside your head, then you on your camera. Everything is going to be on 8 seconds video. Okay, 8 seconds video. Now when you do it more than 8 seconds, make sure you just take it to CapCut or InShot, trim it to 8 seconds before you submit. All right, now you raise the paper up, you record yourself, everything should be in 8 seconds. You shout out loud, I am not a robot. All right, at the end, clearly show your signature and the date. That's at the end of the paper. Make sure you show your signature and date. Now while recording this video, now make sure you shout out loud, I am not a robot. Now after you have recorded that in your 8 seconds video, some of you might take more than 8 seconds, but just take it to InShot or CapCut, trim it down to 8 seconds. Then now I wouldn't want you to use this. Now these guys have queued so many verification queued in their emails. All right, so I wouldn't like you to go through that method. Now the process we'll be looking at now, all right, is now the fastest way. As you can see, it is even stated here, the fastest way, send a direct message to ATF verification on the Telegram. Now this is the verification booth on Telegram channel. So to verify, actually let me click on this to see if it's going to go. Okay, this did not go. Now I'll show you guys the best way to do it. Now I'm going to be going to the official Telegram channel, and we're going to locate the verification bot. All right, let me go. I want to believe you have subscribed to the channel, Telegram channel, so we're going to be looking for the verification bot there. Right, this is the official ATF Telegram channel. So if you don't know how to get here, you can just toggle to the ATF bot under the task section. You can join the Telegram channel. So what I want you to do now is, now you scroll up. We're going to be scrolling up until we find the ATF verification. ATF verification. Let's go. Let's see. Okay. Now good. So this is what you're going to be. This is where we're going to be sending our verification, under our verification, so it'll be faster. Using the send it via email might take time, all right, because they might have so many verification queued, all right, they might not attend. So this is the fastest. It was even stated that this is the fastest means. So you make sure you tap on it. Make sure it has the stick button. It shows that it's the official verification channel of the ATF. Now you tap on message. So this is where you're going to be submitting your video. And at the end, again, at the end, after submitting your 8-second verification video, you're going to be typing your TGID number. TGID number, all right. And you send below TGID. What am I doing? TGID number, all right, which is your ATF user ID. Make sure you type it here and send below your video. So I'm going to be submitting mine quickly, so it does follow the same process, and in a short while, within 24 hours, will be verified. Okay, snapshots of the write-up, let's say, we should make. So, and also make sure you send your TGID on a separate message after you've uploaded your 8-second video and a picture of yourself holding the write-up. Okay, make sure it's sent separately. Do not add any other write-up. All right, it's sent. So this is how you can verify your ATF account. Okay, ATF verification bot via Telegram. I said earlier that going via mail, the queue might be too much. So this is the fastest way or means. So I want to believe you have gotten value. If you have done so, I would like you now to share this video, drop a decent comment, and also subscribe if you are to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.